She doesn't fall for muscles, money, or smooth talking. She falls for something much more powerful, something most men never understand, something she herself can't even explain. It's a feeling, a pull, an emotional experience that hits deep inside her mind. And once she feels it, she can't ignore it, she can't resist it, and she definitely can't forget it. This is the secret most men miss. They think attraction is about saying the right words or showing off their achievements, but that's not how it works. Attraction for a woman is not logical, it's emotional, psychological, and deeply instinctive. She doesn't fall for what you say, she falls for how you make her feel without even trying. And this is exactly where Stoicism gives you a powerful advantage, because when you learn to control yourself, you start influencing the emotional environment around you. What she responds to is not your words, but your presence, your energy, and the way you carry yourself. The first thing that makes a woman melt is emotional calm in situations where most men lose control. This is something very few men truly understand. When she tests you, teases you, challenges you, or even ignores you slightly, she is not trying to irritate you. She is observing you. She is watching how you react. She wants to see if you are stable or if you are just like every other man who reacts emotionally. Most men fail at this stage. They become defensive, they try to prove themselves, they get irritated, or they start chasing her attention. But when you stay calm, relaxed, and completely unbothered, you communicate something extremely powerful without saying a single word. You show emotional strength. You show that you are not controlled by her moods or actions. And this completely changes how she sees you. Now you appear grounded, safe, and mentally strong. And for a woman, this kind of stability is deeply attractive because it makes her feel secure on an emotional level. The second thing that makes her melt is controlled attention. This is something most people never talk about openly. Women are not attracted to men who give them unlimited attention all the time. Instead, they are drawn to men whose attention feels valuable, something that is not easily given. When you reply instantly to every message, when you chase every conversation, and when you make her the center of your world, your attention loses its value. But when you have control over your attention, when you don't rush to respond, when you are focused on your own life and purpose, she starts to notice something different. She begins to feel curious. She starts asking herself why you are not like other men. Why you are not desperate. Why your attention feels rare. And this curiosity creates attraction. Scarcity always creates value. Stoic men naturally have this quality because they are focused on their goals, their growth, and their purpose. And when she senses that your life is already full and meaningful without her, she starts wanting to become a part of it. The third thing that melts her is mystery created through restraint. Most men talk too much. They try to impress by sharing everything about themselves. They overshare, they explain, and they try too hard to prove their worth through words. But the truth is, the less you reveal, the more she wants to discover. When you speak calmly, when you keep your answers short, and when you leave small gaps in conversations, her mind starts filling those gaps. And her imagination will always create a version of you that is far more attractive than anything you could directly say. This is the power of mystery. Stoicism teaches you to hold back, to observe more than you speak, and to stay composed. When you smile slightly, when you hold eye contact just a second longer than usual, you create a subtle tension. She may not understand it, but she feels it. And that feeling slowly turns into attraction. The fourth thing that makes a woman melt is quiet confidence without seeking validation. Most men constantly look for approval. They want compliments, they want reassurance, and they want to know if she likes them. But what truly attracts her is a man who does not depend on her validation to feel valuable. When you stop trying to impress, when you stop adjusting yourself just to win her approval, and when you carry yourself with a sense of self-worth, she notices it immediately. She sees a man who already knows his value. And this is extremely rare. This changes the dynamic completely. Instead of you trying to impress her, she starts trying to impress you. She begins to wonder what she can do to gain your attention. And this shift in energy flips the attraction in your favor. The fifth thing that melts her is emotional non-neediness. Most men become emotionally dependent without even realizing it. They seek constant replies, constant attention, and constant reassurance. They start feeling anxious when she doesn't respond quickly or when she seems distant. But this kind of neediness slowly kills attraction. On the other hand, when you are emotionally independent, when you are okay whether she is there or not, you create a completely different effect. You show that your happiness does not depend on her presence. And this makes you more attractive because it removes pressure from her. She doesn't feel like she has to constantly validate you. Instead, she feels free, and that freedom allows her attraction to grow naturally. When you enjoy her presence but don't depend on it, she starts valuing you more because she knows you are not easily attached. And that emotional balance creates a powerful pull that most men never achieve. This is the mindset shift that most men never make, and because of that, they keep struggling without understanding why nothing works. You don't talk to her because you need her, you talk to her because you choose to. That one difference changes everything. When your actions come from need, they carry pressure, they carry insecurity, and she can feel that instantly. But when your actions come from choice, they carry confidence, calmness, and control. You don't stay calm because you are pretending to be cool, you stay calm because deep inside, you are not afraid of losing her. And that energy is powerful in a way that cannot be faked. When she senses that you are okay with or without her, something shifts inside her. She starts feeling drawn towards you, because women are naturally attracted to men who are emotionally self-sufficient. The man who is not afraid to walk away is always the man she fears losing. Most men believe attraction is about doing more. They think they need to send more messages, give more compliments, show more effort, and constantly prove themselves. But this is where they go wrong. Stoicism teaches the complete opposite. Attraction does not grow when you do more, it grows when you do less, but with stronger presence. Less talking, more observing. Less reacting, more understanding. Less chasing, more choosing. These small shifts create a completely different emotional experience for her. And that is what truly matters. She is not analyzing your words logically, she is feeling your energy emotionally. She is noticing how you make her feel on the inside. Calm, curious, slightly uncertain, emotionally safe, and deeply intrigued. These feelings are powerful, and once they are created, they become addictive. She may not even understand why she enjoys being around you so much. She may not be able to explain it in words. She just knows that something feels different when she is with you. And that difference is what separates you from every other man she meets. Now here is where things become even more interesting. When you truly apply these principles, you stop performing for her. You stop trying to impress her, you stop trying to win her over, and you stop adjusting yourself just to gain her approval. Instead, you simply exist in your natural state, calm, grounded, and in control of yourself. And ironically, that is when she feels the most attracted to you. Because authenticity combined with emotional control creates a powerful presence that cannot be ignored. She does not melt because you are loud or overly expressive. She melts because you are composed and steady. She does not melt because you chase her attention. She melts because you are centered within yourself. She does not melt because you try to impress her with words or actions. She melts because you remain unaffected and emotionally balanced. When she notices that her emotions do not shake you, her respect for you grows stronger. When she feels that your attention is not easily available, her interest naturally deepens. When she senses mystery instead of predictability, her curiosity becomes stronger. When she realizes that you are not seeking validation, she starts giving you validation on her own. And when she feels that you are emotionally independent, she feels safe enough to open up emotionally as well. This is the truth that most people never say openly. Women are not attracted to effort alone, they are attracted to emotional experience. And the man who has control over himself is the man who controls that experience without even trying. So the next time you interact with her, stop overthinking what to say. Stop searching for the perfect lines. Instead, focus on how you are being in that moment. Be calm. Be steady. Be present. Be unfazed. Let her feel your stillness. Let her feel that you are not trying too hard, because the moment you stop forcing attraction starts happening naturally. This is the point where everything changes. This is the point where you realize that you never needed tricks, rehearsed lines, or manipulative tactics. What you needed was emotional mastery. What you needed was a strong, stoic presence. You needed to become a man who is so internally stable that her emotions begin to respond to yours. And once you reach that level, something powerful happens. She starts feeling drawn to you without understanding why. She starts thinking about you without any clear reason. She starts wanting your attention without you asking for it. That is when attraction becomes effortless. That is when she melts without even realizing what is happening inside her. And that is a level most men never reach, because they spend their time chasing instead of mastering themselves. If this made you see things differently, then remember this feeling, because most men will never hear this truth, and even fewer will actually apply it.